This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the Gold Coast, to the tranquil, tree-lined Astor Street, just a block from Lakeshore Drive, to tour one of the newly updated apartments at Astor House. I'm at apartment 1601, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, looking west toward what will be a great view of the sunset later in the day, looking over the mansions along State Street. Turning for a view south toward Michigan Avenue's Mag Mile and a sliver view of Lake Michigan and Navy Pier. Roller shades on the windows, wide plank flooring extending throughout the apartment, a generously sized living area with windows on 2 walls. And then this just incredible kitchen. Breakfast bar island can easily seat 4 or more. It has white quartz marble veined counters with a waterfall effect. Pendant lighting up above. Tremendous amount of cabinetry. With chrome pulls. Also have track lighting above the kitchen. Built-in microwave and convection ovens, 5-burner electric cooktop, ice maker in the freezer, it's under cabinet lighting, chrome gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment, marble veined tile backsplash. Little look for your wine bottles. Looking at the coat closet adjacent to the entryway. And turning for a look into the dining area. That corner would make an ideal spot for a home office desk. Heading toward the bedrooms and baths. We have an in-unit, front-loading washer-dryer, another closet to my left. Bath has marble veined tile on the floor and up to the ceiling on all the walls. There's a soaking tub with a rain shower head, metal frame mirror, above a nice-sized vanity with drawers for storage. And the tub has a nook for your soap and your shampoo. Second bedroom is a good size. Again, roller shades on the windows and that plank flooring continuing. Custom organizers in the closet. Turning into the master/primary bedroom. Really large room. Space to accommodate any size bedding, additional furniture, and a seating area. And you have a wide wall of closets. Overall good storage space in this apartment. Bath has a walk-in shower, another rain shower head, that same marble veined tile extending up to the ceiling, frameless glass door in the shower, and again, an inset nook for your shampoo and soap. 2 banks and drawers in the vanity. Astor House has a storied Gold Coast location. Full suite of amenities that includes a rooftop pool and sundeck. A variety of beautifully finished apartments. Definitely want to put Astor House high on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.